So I'm here with Zeb Aslam, and we're here at Tabler Quad. And Zeb would like to tell us something about how technology has, in a way, affected her life.
I work in research, and we work with really high-tech computers, and we have a 3D printer that we use to analyze proteins. So we use 3D printing, which is extremely expensive right now, as a means of printing proteins out and using them to analyze their 3D structure. Technology has definitely improved science in my life a lot, because without it, research really wouldn't be possible. But also in general, like, it's improved the lives of many people. You have DNA technology and forensic testing that didn't exist like 20 years ago, and you can go back in time and help people who are wrongly convicted of crimes plead innocence. So it's definitely very beneficial, and especially with college students and classes that they're taking right now. A lot of our professors on Stony Brook are really bad. I don't know if you knew that, but they're pretty bad. And online videos like Khan Academy and like people on YouTube who upload educational videos are usually the ones college students turn to learn material. So I definitely think technology has positively affected my life.
All right. The thing you said about the DNA printing was pretty interesting. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah. So you basically create a molecule in this protein folding program called JMOL. And after you have the structure of the molecule and you change around the colors based on what you want to emphasize on the certain parts of the molecule, you submit that to the 3D printer. The 3D printer takes the code that you've given it, and then it converts that code into a 3D structure. And based on the parts that you've highlighted and colored in a certain format, that's what the protein turns out to look like. And it provides you with a pretty realistic image of that 3D structure.
Wow, it's like media and science.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. And is this like other than this technology, has there like also other technologies specific in the field of science that has also advanced science? Because
Sure.
I didn't really hear about this DNA 3D printing. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of things that I haven't heard about in the field of science. But what is something that you work with a lot? Because this 3D printing was pretty interesting. Is there?
I mean, definitely, like, in research, you have all these specific programs. I also worked in, like, a pediatric office, and, like, in the health fields, like, they have specific programs for, like, specific kinds of offices. Like, pediatric offices have, like, immunization programs where, like, they basically, like, you can record immunization information of all the patients and stuff like that. But there's also, in my lab, there's, like, these really high-tech micropipetters that, like, go down into, like, nanometers and stuff like that. Nanometers. And like it's really small volumes of liquid that you normally wouldn't work with. So.
And you operate. I mean, and this comes up on the screen or something.
Well, the high tech micropipetters have their own like digital like screen thing built onto them. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, as technology advances, science gets better.
So it's both interactive and
yes.
it's advancement in the science media.
Yes.
All right. So thank you, Ms. Zeb.